how to add music player section to your website homepage on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Wix, as you can see right here. This is the homepage. Now go to the top, click on add and click section to page. Now it will take you here. All what you have to do is simple. Scroll down until you find music player option and click on it. Now choose a template from here, for example this one, and wait a few seconds. Now after you wait, as you can see, it's added now to my website homepage. Click manage and you can add a list and track list and all those things. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you later.